What's up, my crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin hitting the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. Will we manage to break this level? I'm going to explain the trading plans here for Bitcoin for the next coming days. We're also taking a look at the DXY, losing the March high here and likely to get a corrective move in the coming days, giving the chance for the Bitcoin price and the stock market S&P 500 after this fake out of this neckline to have a significant rise in the coming days. Guys, make sure to stay tuned to see the possibilities in the coming days. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. Guys, we are hitting a huge, massive resistance here on the chart of Bitcoin. And what we could see here in the coming days is a huge, massive rejection from this point. So we need to be very careful. If you want to trade some of the potential setups that are going to be mentioned in today's episode, you want to check out Bybit, guys. Bybit for me is the #1 crypto trading platform. You do have an insane bonus down below in the description of up to $30,000. That is with the link in the description. If you live in the UK or in the US, Bitflex is a great option. No KYC, just with an email and a password, you get $10 worth of bonus if you deposit $100, guys. That is a great alternative here to Bybit. Let's dive in, guys, analyze the situation. What we can see here, diving into the price of Bitcoin, is that we are facing lower high resistance trend line. Not only that, we do have a daily level that is getting very well respected in between yesterday and today, as you can see. So no doubt that this level is a rejection level. This could get a significant pullback in the next coming days. However, how can I manage my risk? What if we do have an attempt in breaking out and hitting this high, which is very disturbing? This is the high from the 19th of September. Let's leave it as it's a possibility. A lot of people might be expecting a successful breakout here and have massive momentum to the upside. However, we can detect those fake outs. We are already hitting that daily level here, strong resistance. However, we haven't hit the highs here of the 19th of September. Now, this level is very disturbing. If we do manage to hit that level and not successfully break above it, it can be a massive fake out from this symmetrical triangle, and then we're going to come back down here to the lows at the $26,000 range. So we want to be ready. We want to analyze the situation and see, hey, is it a fake out or not? Obviously, this daily level is already an acceptable short position. Not going to lie, we are hitting major resistance here where we do have a large spike with this high volume node here because of the price action that we created in between the 18th and the 20th of September. You can see that high volume spike right over there with the daily level getting that reaction. So no doubt, some people might think this is a bullish flag and we're going to pop out. I'm going to say that is a possibility. We do have an attempt here in breaking out. However, the highs here are very disturbing. We love swing failure patterns. We love liquidity grabs. People might be shorting this resistance very aggressively. You're going to stop them out. Once you stop them out, then possibly we can attempt a short position as we reject from the level, not as we are pumping to the zone, guys, because this could absolutely skyrocket. We do not short the pumps, we short the rejections, acknowledging that this is a rejection level. And as we reject, of course, that is when we possibly jump into the trade, managing our risk very well with our stop losses once we create that high. On the other side, yes, maybe this was it. We are hitting that daily level from the close and open here from 19th, 20th of September, and we're already getting that reaction. So, hey, what if we do not go to higher levels? That daily level has been massive resistance. Look at the rejection yesterday. Look at the rejection today. So overall, that is a sign of weakness already. So maybe this has already been that double top with a lower high second top here, and we are going to start correcting aggressively in the coming days. However, what if this does happen? Then obviously I would not be bullish. The only reason that I would be bullish here is that if we do maintain here the higher lows from yesterday and today for a kind of an ascending or symmetrical triangle that is going to finally break here to the upside. And obviously the only longs here would be at the last higher lows or liquidity grabs here from the lows and then attempt here create that range, guys, because we do love ranges. And if we do see this range, we can see that if we do manage manage to break down here and fail to do so, then possibly then we're going to have a rise. So this is something that I am paying attention here in the next coming hours and days. Overall, if we do start breaking here successfully the lows, I'm going to say, guys, this is not looking good. We are likely to claim here the $26,000 range. So yes, we are at resistance. It's not looking great. I very much acknowledge that we are going to have a possibility and hitting previous day highs. Let's see how that level is going to be hit. Two important levels right over here of resistance. Are we going to manage to successfully break and go to higher levels, or will we reject from the first high here from yesterday or the 19th of September high and reject? This is something that I'm eyeing here with the Legends trading community. Obviously, this range is always an acceptable short position. However, you want to get in at the highest level possible. So you get a high, you reject from the daily, you backtest the daily, you reject, and possibly that is a good shorting opportunity, of course, as you can see here, as you're hitting that high level. Remember, if you are wanting to trade Bybit, #1 crypto trading platform, insane bonus down below in the description, guys. So that is what I got here for Bitcoin. This is a possibility rejection zone. It's very confusing. You can manage your risk very well trying to short here at 27,150, 27,200. As you reject, you want to short. This could be an epic swing short position coming back down to $26,000, guys. I'm very much aware of this situation. However, I'm aware of another claim of the previous day high, maybe the 19th of September high. Will it be a successful breakout? Well, that is just a matter of time. We need to set our alerts, be ready for a successful breakout. If so, then obviously we'll just be looking for higher. And if it rejects, then we'll be possibly looking for that short all the way down to $26,000 again, guys. Pretty simple, pretty easy to understand. Manage your risk very well in your trading. Now, the possibility here of another rise on Bitcoin is because of the DXY. It is losing the highs here from March, as you can see on the chart. Now, the highs here from June did break out successfully and managed to hold as support, getting that rise. We broke the March highs here and it did not manage to hold as support. So this is telling me that there is a possibility of a larger corrective move here on the DXY, potentially to the highs here of June, then possibly to get the bounce. But overall, a little bit of more downside here in the coming days for the DXY is very much possible. And that is what could give Bitcoin that attempt in breaking here the highs, the previous day highs, and attempting to hit the highs from the 19th of September. So stay cautious, guys. This is a crucial zone. This could absolutely skyrocket from this level. It's a level where we could have a massive breakout or a massive rejection. So make sure to pay attention and recognize that rejection after testing those highs for a possible trading setup. Now, because of the DXY dropping here, we also see a massive fake out from this head and shoulder structure that formed here on the S&P 500. This level managing to hold very nicely, not too much volume on the breakdown here. So we do have a chance on the S&P 500 in the coming days to get a significant rise. And this could be ending up in a descending wedge structure, as you can see. For the moment, support is holding from lower lows and the possible rise is there, guys, meaning that also there is some correlation with Bitcoin and the stock market. If stock market is going to manage to hold as we've seen right now in a possible rise in the coming days, that gives more chance for Bitcoin to attempt to break out the previous day high, even the 19th of September high. So we just want to be cautious. Our portfolio will be doing absolutely great. If we successfully break out, then obviously no shorts will be taken. Guys, not much more to be said here. Stay cautious with your trading. If you want more updates, you have the Legends trading community. We update every single day. We're getting some altcoins there as well, also for trading. You have the link in the description here beneath Bybit as well if you want to join those daily updates and possible setups for Bitcoin and some other cryptos. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.